So how do you feel na for the second year in a row, you have Filmfest entry and with the star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos?
Super grateful. Grateful na nakukuha ako, napagkakatiwalaan ng excuse me, napagkakatiwalaan ng mga producers to be part of their film. And this is actually my second film with Tita Vilma because last year is When I Met You in Tokyo. But wala kaming eksena.
Yes.
Meron kaming eksena, phone call.
Yes,
Pero wala yung talagang nagkatabi at nag-uusap. So this time it's different because I had an honor to work with her close up, face to face. So very special.
Ilang eksena niyo?
Malalaman nila pag pinanood.
I may surprise. And pwede mo ba ikwento yung first shooting day nyo nung nagkita kayo ni Ate V sa set? Paano ang scenario?
Okay, when I got there, my call time was in the morning. And then, nung dumating si Tita Vilma, she immediately looked for me. So she went to the tent where I was. And then sabi niya, "Lot," sabi niya, "so nice to see you." So she was very warm, she was very welcoming. And then nagkayakapan kami dalawa. And then sabi ko, "Tita, huwag niyo po akong papabayaan na." Tapos natawa siya. Sabi niya, "Ano ka ba? Kayang-kaya mo yan." So it was a great start to that day prior to shooting.
Alas eto, siyempre may mga mangilan-ngilan, alam naman siyempre anak ka ng superstar na si Miss Nora Honor. Siyempre hindi na iwasan, may ilang fans na hanggang ngayon naman ganun, di ba, parang may yung, ewan ko kung tampong matatawag, ay ba't si Ate V kasama mo, ganyan, di mami mo. How do you feel pag may gano'n na parang may mga nagtatampo na kasama mo daw si Ate V sa movie to think anak ka ni Nora Honor?
Huwag na sila magtampo. Kasi unang-una magkaibigan naman si Mami at si Tita Vilma. Inaanak ni Tita Vilma si Kiko, yung kapatid ko. So magkumare ang Mami ko at si Tita Vilma. My mom loves Tita Vilma dearly, and Tita Vilma loves my mom dearly, at pati kami mga anak. So we're grateful. I guess yung mga iba lang na nag-iisip ng mga tampo-tampo, baka dahil nga sobrang, syempre, loyalist sila kay Mami, pero wala naman pong wala silang dapat ipag-alala at ipagtampo. Dahil, Tita Vilma is also like family to us, dahil ang relationship nga nila ni Mami is magkumare. So, hindi sila dapat magtampo. Plus, trabaho po ito. Magtatrabaho po ako.
At saka si Ate V, very vocal on saying kung gaano kanya kamahal, di ba? Sa set.
Meron din kami sa kanya. You know, she's a very nice person. She's beautiful in and out. She's very caring. Wala po ako masasabi, hands up kay Tita Vilma.